Hello, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable your passenger's airbag on a Volkswagen Polo Mk4 9 and 3. We have a seat at the driver's side or passenger side, and on the right side we can see there is the area where the airbag should be, and there is the airbag on and off switch. In this airbag on and off switch, we have to insert our key, our ignition key, and turn it clockwise to the off position. Now the airbag on the passenger side is disabled. Let's check this, because we are now switching on ignition, and you can see the airbag off signal is steady on. Oh yeah. If you like to disable the this airbag off function, that means the airbag should be on because no seat is there placed, you can push it in position and switch to the on position. Job's done. Now the airbag is enabled on the passenger side again. This is good if you have a children's seat with the look direction to the backside, for example. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.